Hello YouTube and everybody. How are you friends? Today I am going to introduce to you a website called ZeroSSL. So what is the specialty of this website? This website allows you to take SSL protection for any of your websites which you may build or you may test. So if you go to the pricing here, as you can see here, there's a free plan, basic plan, premium plan, business and enterprise plan. And you can go through all the plans here. So if you are a medium type user, you can start with the basic plan. And if you want to test it out, you can do a free plan. And then if you are a business user or enterprise user, you can go through all these plans. This is a very good SSL procurement certificate website. So what is SSL? You can know that any website, if it has a lock like this, that means it is secured website which is under SSL category certification. Now, let me tell you that this is not a sponsored program or sponsored tutorial by ZeroSSL. I just came across this website and I have used it for all my websites or some of my websites, I can say, with good success. So for testing the website, you can go to join the free SSL, and then I am going to log into my login ID. As you can see, this is my email ID, gpsmartcodes@gmail.com. I'm logging in. So once I log in, you can see here we are entering the dashboard. So in the dashboard, you can see they give facility of expiring soon, issued SSL, pending validation, expired and cancelled status for our websites. So I will explain to you a test website which I will host under my VPS, and I am going to explain to you the configurations to achieve this. So keep watching and subscribe to my channel if you have not so far subscribed. We will follow the next steps in another video. I will put all these in the same playlist so that you can click the playlist and you will be able to watch all of these videos in this series. So if you like my channel, please subscribe, and that will encourage me to make a lot of more new upcoming videos. So see you in the next episode of my video. Thank you.